ask the team at the back. Our second runner-up for this evening receives a cash prize of 10,000 kina, a hamper bouquet of PNG flowers, and a silver pendant and necklace. All our cash prizes for this evening are sponsored by our major sponsor, LJ Hooker. Our second runner-up for the Miss Bird of Paradise PNG Pageant 2025 is contestant number 6, Viloisa Hahembe. We'd like to invite onto the stage to present the award for the first runner-up, CEO of NAS Fund, Mr. Rajiv Sharma. Please make him welcome. Our first runner-up for the Miss Bird of Paradise PNG pageant will receive a 15,000 kina cash prize, courtesy of our sponsor LJ Hooker, a hamper bouquet of PNG flowers, and a silver pendant and necklace. Your first runner-up for the Miss Bird of Paradise PNG Pageant 2025 is contestant number 9, Miss Inga Kuri Endopio. The first runner-up plays an important role in the Miss Bird of Paradise PNG pageant. Should the Miss Bird of Paradise be unable to carry out her role, the first runner-up steps in to carry out those duties. Congratulations to our first runner-up, Miss Inga.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at the hour of the crowning. For this award, we would like to call upon our patron of the Miss Bird of Paradise PNG. The awards for the Miss Bird of Paradise Papua New Guinea include: she will get to travel around Papua New Guinea to crown the provincial queens, entry to the Miss Pacific Islands pageant, entry to other international pageants as deemed fit by the Miss Bird of Paradise Papua New Guinea Committee, a winner's bouquet of flowers, a gold pendant and necklace sponsored by House of Gemini, a return ticket to attend the Queen Esther Purim Conference in Israel sponsored by Wisdom Travel, and a cash prize of 20,000 kina.
Ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've all been waiting for.
Congratulations,
Miss Western Highlands Province, Iampela Popena.
M-E-T-E-R-E alongside Mr. Lai. Hey!
All our other contestants get consolation prizes of 1,000 kina cash, a hamper bouquet of flowers, and a silver pendant and necklace. Congratulations, Miss Western Highlands Province, Miss Iampela Popena, on being crowned the Miss Bird of Paradise Papua New Guinea 2025 to 2026.
So many like it. You got a better old send you.
strong. Cause there's no mess I came from above. That when I hold you, you know it's true. And I'm
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for our new Miss
Bird
Bird
of
of Paradise, Miss Iampela Popena, as she graces us with her first walk as queen.